Today I'm gonna teach you how to add a thumbnail to your video that was uploaded on your YouTube account. Kindly click on Chrome or Google Chrome and click on the search bar and type the word aboutme.google.com and please click enter. Let's actually wait for a few seconds and it's loading up. Okay, you're already at this page, Google account about me. You can see your basic info with your picture. So kindly check or click on the three dots at the upper right corner on your mobile phone. Scroll it down, click desktop site. After clicking, go back to the web address and let's go to your YouTube account and type youtube.com. Click enter and there you go. You can see three small dots again at the upper right corner. Kindly click on that part, scroll it down. You could see at the bottom part help and feedback, settings and desktop site. Kindly check or click the desktop site. Again, let's wait for a few seconds. Alright, so in order to click on your picture, you need to zoom in, scroll it up, and then you'll have to click on your picture and then click your channel. Okay, so you're already at this page now on your YouTube account, Sonnyboy24TV. So kindly click on videos and let's see which of your video you will add thumbnail. So let's have this Baywatch now and before. Scroll it down, check at the bottom right part of your video. You can see analytics and edit video. Kindly click on edit video and then it's still loading and just few seconds. Perfect. So you're already here at your video details, basic and more options. Kindly take a look at the bottom part. You can see thumbnail. Kindly check on the thumbnail and you have to select on. So let's gonna try this one, this picture. Click that one, then click done, and there you go, it's already added. But lastly, you need to check at the upper right. You can see undo changes, click save. Okay, there you go, perfect. It's already changed and you have already your thumbnail. So let's check on your YouTube